smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Bit of a later start today because I don't have a huge day. I think I've got about 15 kilometres to get to Rouen, and I'm going to spend all day in Rouen. The start for the day, I've got to sort of take a 2-mile detour to get back to the route, GR210. Which means walking between a couple of villages on this road. So within 3/4 of an hour or so I'll be back on the route, which is fine. And a lot of the villages around here, they have this walking lane on the road. First sign this morning. I'm back on the route. Out of the town, back onto some dirt. Always feel better. I think we go up and round through a forest before we get to Rouen. We're close to Rouen. This looks a much more travelled path than some of the ones I've been on so far. So, as in Formula One, there's a dry line. We've come down quite a bit, so I suppose we've just got to go up quite a bit. Working our way through the forest. Wow, the first people I've seen far ahead. I won't be able to catch up with them because my route turns this way. Where there's somebody walking a dog. We must be very close to Rouen then. Good morning, day 11 of my Comberton Le Vaudreuil hike. Today's the day I get to Rouen. I should get there before lunchtime so I can have a half day sightseeing. Yeah, as I got closer to Rouen, there's been more dirt tracks, but broadly you are walking on road a lot of the time, which is pretty energy sapping. But almost at the end, so I stay in Rouen tonight, and then on Friday I just have to walk between Rouen and Le Vaudreuil. So let's see where the day takes us. We're getting more routes, but it's us and the shells. I'm a fish delivery person. I'm hearing bird noise on a consistent basis for the first time in this walk. It's been devoid of seeing any non-agricultural livestock, any raptors, very few garden birds, very few seed holders I've seen. So it's quite nice to hear bird noise. Out of the woods, starting to see houses. Having come out of the woods around the corner, I think I've just got a long road walk into the centre of Rouen. Something to do with Jesse Owens. Not quite sure what it is. Thank you for letting the children pass. Coming in the back streets of Rouen. It's a fitness circuit through the forest. It's the city of Rouen. A little bit hazy though. A thin strip of land between two roads going into Rouen. Less than half a kilometre to go to the end of the GR210. That wasn't quite the end of the walk. It was just a sign saying to the Hotel de Ville. So there are still more signs which I assume are taking you actually to the cathedral in Rouen. Coming down very steeply into the town of Rouen. I mean, it is on the River Seine, so it's going to be, I don't know, 100 feet, 200 feet above sea level, 100, I have no idea. But it's not that high. It's a rat run down here. So it's impressive. I have a series of pictures, postcards from Monet of his paintings of Rouen Cathedral. Different colours, different lights. Crossing La Seine. Obviously, the Paris bit of it is too dirty for athletes. I wonder what this is. Making my way south in the city, outside what would have been the historic walls of Rouen. And of course there's another cathedral, church. Oops. The truck can't get around the corner. The police are here, but nobody knows where the owner of the vehicle is. Names. Just put in an extra church and your fountain with no water. But somebody. New flat complex.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.